Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic equation. The quiz contains the basic operation minus multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 3, C is 9 and D is 27. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, point mass and part mass. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression and the rules are same. Basically they are using some of them use like bot mass and some of them use the PAMDA. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which is coming first. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, first we have to solve first bracket, but inside the bracket we have two operation which is minus and multiplication. And other one is we have the power of any number. So we have here this number which has the power. So first of all we have to solve this one. So we will write like 12 multiplied by 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 means 27. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 9 and minus and this part right now I'm as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 3 raised to power 3 equals to 27. Now move forward, we have to solve. So now we have to solve the inside the bracket first operation which is multiplication. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 36 because 12 1 the 12 12 to the 24 and 12 3 is the 36. 36 minus 27 we will write here as it is multiplication and this part I am writing as it is. And here we have to give the reference 12 multiplied by 3 equals to 36. Now move forward. Again, we have to solve this bracket which is 36 minus 27. So we will solve this one 36 minus 27. It becomes 9 and multiply by 9 minus 3 raised to power 2. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 36 minus 27 equals to 9. Now we have to solve the bracket number 2. So for solving the bracket number 2, we have to solve first the power of this number, which is 3 raised to power 2. So we will write like 9 multiplied by 9 minus 9. 3 raised to power 2 means 9. And here we have to give the reference like 3 raised to power 2, 9. Now we have here we have solved the exponent part. Now we have to solve the bracket number 2. So we will solve this one and when we will solve 9 minus 9 equals to which is equals to 0. And here we have to give the reference like 9 minus 9 equals to 0. Now we have two terms which are multiplying each other. When we will multiply any number with 0, we get the answer is 0. So the answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.